Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and I am showing you our final ghost theme, Misty. And this theme really is all about the grid. It's all about structure, and it's all about showing your content and showing your beautiful imagery, as always with all our ghost themes. So I'm going to take you through this ghost theme today. I'm going to show you a few of the pages, a few of the bits you can customize in the back end, and then you can go take a look yourself on the preview on our website, coastalthemes.com. So I'm introducing you to Misty, which is perfect for a personal blog, a journal, a fashion blog, really anything you'd like. And Misty has a beautiful hero section which allows you to drop in video. So I'll show you how to do this afterwards, but you can either use images or you can use video in your hero section, as well as customizing the CTA as always. In the navigation at the top, we have our center aligned logo. We also have our search function, which will fill the entire page and blur the background. And then we also support these sub-menus when you hover over the menu items. When I scroll down, you see we have this nice featured section where you can link your users to another page, to the about page, or a page of your choosing. And then we go straight into the grid of posts. And you can see our CTAs are kind of forming within the grid. So we include the outlines, and then when you hover, the buttons fill. And then as always with all our ghost themes, you can see which posts are paywalled and which ones are not. So let's click into one of these posts and you will see how the post is structured. So we have a hero section at the top with the heading, an excerpt, a big lovely image, a date, the authors, and how long the read is. And you can see here this post is paywalled, so we have a CTA section which allows the users to hit sign up, and that will take them straight to the sign up page. If we go back to that post, you can also see there's a related section, and finally in our footer, our subscribe CTA and a multi-column footer. So let's head back home. So the rest of the homepage is all your posts, so that's why it's perfect for your personal blog or travel blog. And then we have a pull quote section which you can fully customize. You can also add an image in the background. Your tag section, which allows your users to kind of filter your content by tags. So if I click into trending, for example, it will take me to a specific landing pages for my trending posts, and then bring up the grid once again to showcase these posts. And then we have a 2-column section. And then finally that same footer that we just saw on the post page with our subscribe CTA and our footer. So then I'm going to show you our membership page. So this shows your pricing. So as always, we have our monthly yearly toggle, which allows your users to see which pricing structure is better for them. And then you can see it lists the price and some of the benefits and features in each tier, as well as the sign up button. Another cool page is the authors page. So you can create different author profiles, and this allows your users to then click on an author and see the posts that were written by them and only them. And once again, you can click into these posts, head back, and then you can also click on the separate tags in each post on the listing page. So room ideas, for example, click on room ideas and that will take you to a page that is just with that particular tag. And those are the core pages of the Misty template. So now we're going to head into the back end, and you can see here I am going to begin to customize the homepage, and I'm going to show you the different things that are available to you. So actually starting with colors, when you go onto the preview, you will see at the bottom there is this little customizer, and this shows you the various theme styles that we offer out of the box. Of course, you can always override this with the colors of your choice, but I will take you through these theme styles because they are beautiful. So we've got cream, which is what you're looking at now. We've got this cherry red, which changes the background to red. It changes the menus to red, but keeps the white grid and black CTAs. Mustard yellow, which is a lovely light, fun, like sunflower yellow. Volcanic grey, a little bit of a darker theme. forest green, which is a greenier green with our nice kind of dark brown black CTAs. Ocean blue, once again black CTAs, and a really pretty light blue for the background. And finally marble white, which is more of a crisp white if you're after that aesthetic. So you can see those themes and those colors in action on the preview, which is linked in our bio below when you go to the theme page on our website. So heading back into the customizer, you can see here we can also adjust the accent color, and that will change the CTAs. You can also add your favicon, which is your publication icon, and your logo, and then your publication cover. So this would usually fit into this section at the top here, but because we have a video going, this publication cover will not be used here. So if I jump into homepage, you can see here I have a hero video. So if I remove this link, you will see that that cover is then applied here. So let's put the hero video back, and then you'll see the video come back. So videos are input with a URL rather than kind of dragging and dropping them into the site. So you will need to have this hosted somewhere, and then you can pop it in there. So let's jump into site-wide. Here you can see the theme styles, accent text color, enabling a sticky header, which will allow the header to, there we go, be sticky on scroll. When you scroll up, it just allows the user to kind of see it again. Switch that off. You can change the font, so we have up to 11 fonts for you to choose from. So I can change that to Poppins, and you can see that text changes there. And then the body font, at the moment it's DM Sans, but I can change it to Inter, and then this text here will change. I can also change up my footer text. So if I scroll to the bottom, you can see this footer text right here. Misty is a beautiful editorial theme for Ghost. I can change this text in here, as well as the copyright. And then we'll go to the homepage section. So this is where you can start to customize your hero form. So what CTA you want here. So right now we have the sign up button. We also can put a sign up form, which allows the user to enter their email, a search form. You will see now, there we go. The title and intro only, so that excludes a CTA completely, or you can completely take away the hero section and just allow the user to go straight into the content. And then on the list of posts, you can customize what tag gets shown here on the homepage. So at the moment it's features, so if I scroll down, you will see all of these posts here are features. I can also decide if I want a popular tag section. So that was this one down here, explore tags. I can switch this off. And then finally on the homepage, I can customize the quote, and that is this one here. So life is really simple, life isn't really simple. And I can change that there. As well as add a cover image, and that will fill the background here. And then let's jump into the post settings. So this allows us to change the view of this hero image at the top. There we go. And right now it's letterbox, but I can make it square, which obviously gives it equal dimensions, wide, landscape, ultra wide, and I can put it back to letterbox, and that will just be a little bit wider. So you can decide how you crop that featured image that shows at the top of your posts. And then under related post type, which is at the bottom here, you can see this will show featured posts, but I can choose to also show related by primary tag, and that will show posts that are similar to the post they are on already. And then once I hit save, that will publish it straight to my site. I'm also able to customize all these settings in mobile, and our site is obviously fully responsive. You can see we have a burger menu. If I jump into responsive on the live site, then you can see we have our burger menu. You can see all the items there, and you can see how the content stacks. Instead of columns, we have one single column with all our content. And that is it. That is our theme Misty, which is available on the Ghost Marketplace of Themes, or you can jump to coastalthemes.com, hit on Ghost Themes, and then you will see Misty sitting right here. Click read more, and then you are able to preview the theme here with the ghost theme preview, or you can get the ghost theme by clicking on this button. So if you have any questions or if you want to know anything else about Ghost, please do drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Bye!